So welcome guys back. Welcome. You see, can take a look at this gold, right? So actually predicted a bullish move for today, right? We've kind of had like a bullish move. So we would want to predict this price will be moving for the next day. So before I get started, if you've not subscribed, guys, I beg you, please click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I'd love to watch out for it. Anything you want, just make it out. I'd love to watch out for it. So take a look at this gold, right? You kind of see like we saw this bullish move. If you know this movement on gold, we are on a bullish move. Take a look at this movement. Here is the ice, and here comes the correction, right? Here is the ice, right? Comes the correction here, and here is the new ice. Notice that we're now having a pullback level, right? So on this Monday, this analysis, right, I did analysis that we should be expecting a bearish move on gold, right? Which we kind of had this bearish move, right? On Tuesday, which is on the 22, right? We also predicted that we should be expecting a bullish move on gold, which actually did. So today, which is 23, I did analysis and told you guys that we should also be expecting a bullish move on this gold also. So we kind of see this bullish move. Now we would want to do analysis for the 24, which is Thursday. We would want to know where this price will be moving for. So in order to predict this movement, right, you clearly can see that this XAU USD is now on a bullish move, right? So if you notice something, there is a correlation between gold and USD. I've done analysis on how to trade gold properly, or fundamentally. You can check this channel. You see I pin it up. So this means that if there is a bullish move on our USD index or DXY, right, you would see a bearish move or expect a bearish move on our gold. But once this USD index or DXY is giving us a bearish move, then be expecting a bullish move on our gold. Now let's analyze this USD index itself. So you can see that this 2 days, right? Yesterday and today, we kind of opened and closed bearish, right? We opened and closed bearish yesterday and today. Notice it, we also opened and closed bullish yesterday and today. Notice the previous 3 days, like the previous 3 days ago, we kind of had a bearish move here on this gold, right? Notice it that we had a bullish move here on this USD index. So if you take a look at this 1 2 3 green candle here, we kind of added like 1 2 3 red candle here. So this green, if you notice, right, once there's a bullish move on USD index, then we would have a bearish move on our gold. But once there is a bearish move on our USD index, then we expect a bullish move on gold. So if you take a look at this USD index, if you analyze this trend, right, you know that we are on a bearish move on USD index. So we will take this as a lower lows, pullback, a new lows that broke this previous lows, right? Here is the pullback on USD index, and a new lows has been made here. Guess what we had next? A pullback. After the pullback, a new lows. After the new lows, a pullback has been made. So after this pullback, what do we expect next on USD index? Another bearish move on USD index. So we saw that price kind of reacted here previously. We saw price reacted here previously, right? So we expect price to actually react here, which it actually did. Now we are now having a new lows on USD index. So we want to see this USD index to just further down and possibly break this lows. So we'll be expecting this USD to break this lows. But before that, it needs to tap this lows. So we still have some bearish move to be made that will tap this low. So as you would be getting this bearish move on this USD index or DXY, then expect a bullish move on our gold, right? So the next day also, we would want to also see this gold open and close bullish. I think by the next day, our gold price should actually be above the 10 period moving average, which I strongly believe. The next day, we should see our price above the 10 period moving average. So on the daily time frame, right, the next day we'd be expecting a bullish move on our gold. Let's see if this gold will actually tap this level by the next day, which is a level of 1765. So we are currently trading at 1749. Let's see this gold tap a level of 1765. So guys, we are expecting this gold to actually push up and possibly take out a level of 1765. So that should take us to the 4-hour time frame, guys. So So take a look at this 4-hour time frame here. You saw that price have kind of rejected here, right? The price kind of went up, broke above it, right? Price broke above, though we are having a pullback which is more visible on the 1-hour time frame. So maybe once this pullback is over on the 1-hour time frame, then we can now expect a continuous bullish move. So above all, we will be expecting a bullish move. Notice that we would want to place this trade on the 4-hour time frame, and the 4-hour time frame shows that we will be going bullish, coupled with the fact that price has broken this previous highs. So we can take this as the new highs. Here would be the pullback on the gold, and now a new highs has been made, which if you notice, if you see it properly, you see that this previous highs was broken. So a little bit of pullback should occur before we continue a bullish move. So for our time frame bullish, take a look at this 10 period moving average. The 4-hour time frame is above the 10 period moving average. Our price is above 10 period moving average. Still an indication that we are to go bullish on gold. So if you take a look at this movement, right, on this seats, take a look at this ice that we were talking about, that price actually broke this ice, right? So price broke above it. So a little bit of pullback is being made. Let's see it drop a little bit, then a continuous bullish move will be made on gold. So gold, we are expecting a bullish move.